Subject EE 309 Chapter 4 Circuit Breakers. In this e-lecture we will discuss about the topic 4.7.2 Air Circuit Breaker. Air circuit breaker or ACB is an electrical protection device used for short circuit and overcurrent protection up to 15 kV with ampere rating of 800 ampere to 10 kilo ampere. In this air circuit breaker, arc is initiated and extinguished in substantially static air. Air circuit breaker works on high resistance principle. The contact separation and arc extinction takes place at atmospheric pressure. Arc expands by arc runner, arc chute, and splitting, cooling, and lengthening increases the arc resistance. The arc resistance is increased to such an extent that voltage drop across the arc become more than the system voltage and arc get extinguished at current zero position of AC wave. In this type of circuit breaker, arc voltage is increased mainly by three different ways. First, by cooling the arc plasma. Second, by lengthening the arc path. Third, by splitting up the arc into a number of series arcs. This type of circuit breaker is employed in both AC and DC types of circuit up to 15 kilovolt. They are normally indoor type and installed on vertical panels. Figure first and second shows the constructional detail of air circuit breaker. Figure 1 shows when contacts are in close position. Figure second shows the position when contacts are in open position. The constructional detail can be described by indicating numbers on it. These numbers indicate first main contact, second arcing contact, third arc rising in the direction of the arrow, fourth arc getting split, fifth arc splitter plates, sixth current carrying terminals, seventh arc runner. It consists of two sets of contact. First main contact, second is arcing contact or auxiliary contact. The main contact carries the current at normal load and these contacts are made of copper metal. They have low resistance and are silver plated. The second pair of contacts is called arcing contact or auxiliary contact. The arcing contact are hard, heat resistant and is made of copper alloy. Arcing contact are used to relieve the main contact from damage due to arcing. Arcing contacts are easily renewable when required. During the opening of the main contact, there will not be any arcing in the main contact. The arc is only initiated after finally the arcing contacts are separated. These contact closes before and open after the main contact during operation. In this air circuit breaker, a chamber is fitted surrounding the contact. This chamber is called as arc chute. The arc is made to drive or force in it. The arc chute helps to achieve cooling. Arc chute is made from some refractory material. Arc chute is divided into a number of small compartments by using metallic separation plates. Metallic separation plates are arc splitters. Initial arc will split into a series of arcs. This will make all arc voltage higher than system voltage. Arc runners are provided at the one end of arcing contact and upper side arc splitter plates are provided. Working of air circuit breaker. During normal condition, the contacts remain in closed position. Whenever fault occurs, triple tripping signal makes the circuit breaker contact to open and the arc is drawn in between the contacts. Whenever the arc is struck between the contact, the surrounding air gets ionized and the arc is then cooled to reduce the diameter of arc core. While separating, the main contacts are separated first and the current is then shifted to arcing contact. Later on, the arcing contact will also start separating and arc between them is forced upward by electromagnetic forces and thermal action. The arc travels through arc runner. Further, it moves upward and split by arc splitter plates. Due to all, finally the arc get extinguished as the resistance of arc is increased. Due to lengthening, cooling, and splitting effects, arc resistance increases, which will reduce the fault current and will not allow to reach fault current to high value. The current 0 points in the AC wave will help the arc extension. With increase in arc resistance, the drop across it will go on increasing. Whenever arc leaves the contact, it passes through the arc runner with the help of blowout coils, which provides a magnetic field due to which it experiences a force as given by electromagnetic theory. This force will assist in moving the arc upward. The magnetic field produced is insufficient to extinguish the arc, but this force assists in moving the arc upward. The arc and travels along the arc runner, and the arc move upwards and is splitted by arc splitter plates. The arc is extinguished by lengthening, cooling, and splitting. By doing so, arc voltage become much larger than the system voltage. Therefore, the arc is extinguished finally during the current zero. For systems having low inductance, arc get extinguished before reaching extremity of runners, because lengthening of arc will increase the voltage drop, which is insufficient to maintain the arc. For high inductance circuit, if it is not extinguished while traveling through arc runner, then it is passed through arc splitters where it is cooled. This will make the, effective deionization by removing the heat from arc. Applications: this type of circuit breaker are commonly employed for industrial switchgear, auxiliary switchgear in generating station. Air circuit breaker are used for controlling the power station, auxiliary, and industrial plants. They offer protection to industrial plants. Electrical machines like transformer, capacitor, and generator, they are mainly used for protection of plants where there are possibility of fire or explosion hazard, and used in DC and AC circuit up to 15 kilovolt